Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? Forget it, #short. In this video, I'm sharing with you a secret that will change your life and end your struggle with the 9-to-5 job. If you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, then you need to watch this video. In it, I'm going to share with you a secret that will change your life and end your struggle with the 9-to-5 job. After watching this video, you'll be able to get out of that outdated, conventional job and start working on something that you're truly passionate about. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? Forget it, in this video, I'm going to show you how to quit your job and start your own business. This is the best, and fastest, way to make money online. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to start your own business without any technical skills or experience. You have thousands of businesses looking for help to get more clients and customers. It's your opportunity to tap this market and make thousands offering social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. We have a complete social media course called Social Media Gold Course. The course will teach you everything you need to become successful. The second business you should get involved in is selling all-in-one software and service. It does it all. For example, it can take a lead and send a voicemail and book an appointment. It can do a text, email, and recorded phone call in the first 5 minutes. She can charge $200 to $500 a month for this service. Dominic in 12 months is getting over $60,000 in monthly income. Jacob Warthrup has made over $113,000. Check it out in the description below.